Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I was gifted these two beautiful dolls by my middle son. He and his wife went on a road trip to see their daughter at college, and on the trip somewhere along the way, they saw these and thought of me and bought them for me. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at this coat. I mean, this is so well made. Let me set this right there. This dress, absolutely gorgeous. It's got the slip, the pantaloons. The little sock has a little hole. I'm going to repair that. It won't take much at all. It probably won't even take it off the doll. I'll just repair it right there. Little shoes have soles. They lace up and tie. How cute is that? Oh, I love her. She's going to need a little cleanup. I'm fine with that. My favorite, and I don't use the word favorite when I talk about my children, but my favorite of these two dolls is this little fairy. Oh my God. Look at the work in this tooling that someone sat on a sewing machine. And I can tell you right now, tooling is not easy to sew. This little hair piece was made from the same tooling. And the little flower here is all tulle. She's absolutely gorgeous. And you know, I love a redhead, and especially a redhead with green eyes. Look at a little pearl necklace. I can't thank my son and daughter-in-law enough. They are so good to Darren and I am just delighted. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Thank you, Drew and Jen. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.